Hello everyone. In this brief video, we will explore 5.1's option leg builder functionality using the example of a composite option strategy called butterfly. To build a butterfly strategy, we have to sell at the money call and put, and we have to buy relevant covers, which could be any units of n strike away as per our risk and reward characteristic. So we take a reference of our current spot price. We make a selection of an appropriate expiry, and in our case we need to sell 15,750 call and put. So now we made a sale of two option at the same strike, which was at the money, and now we need, let's say we need to buy the covers. So for that, in our example, let's go 200 units up and down. So we will sell a call, sorry, we'll purchase a call at 950, and for our put, we will go down from our current ATM and we'll use 15,550 as a put cover to buy. So that makes it a butterfly strategy. Similarly, you can create a strangle, a straddle, iron condor, or any arbitrary composite option strategy. Now we can see our payoff diagram, which is a sum total of all my individual positions. So I know my maximum profit, I know my maximum loss, I know my break-even points, and my net credit is the amount of premium that I've collected minus what I had paid for the covers. Now to change your risk reward profile, you can modify uh, this selection in terms of the units that you are willing to buy and sell. For our example, let's make it a ratio spread. So I sell 2 units of at the money call and put, and I buy 3 units of OTM call and put. Now, as you can see, I can see the dynamic change in my risk reward profile. So now my profit becomes open ended. Okay. So similarly, you can make changes till you hit an acceptable level of risk and reward for the composite position that you are willing to take. You can further explore the Greeks. So for each position, you know the implied volatility, the delta, theta, gamma, omega, your overall P&L profile. And finally, you can even execute all these legs from our platform itself. You don't need to go to the broker. Our platform is connected to your broker through the APIs. And there are two options for you to place each leg individually or place all the orders together. In this case, either the whole strategy gets fulfilled, or if that's not achievable, whatever was executed also gets discarded. So it's all or nothing, as you've seen with the other bracket positions that you've sold earlier. Now that's pretty much it. You can build any risk reward profile that you need, and you can execute it on our platform. Thank you.